Hubspot CRM tutorial. Good day, folks. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to run through HubSpot, a very powerful CRM platform. So without further ado, we are now on the page that you get to when you sign up and they want to learn a little bit more about you and your company so that they can customize your experience. So once you have chosen your email address that you'd like to sign in with, they are asking you what industry you are in. So we want to type in what industry we are in, and once you start typing, you'll get some suggestions over here. So I'm going to just go with media production, and we're going to tap on next. Next, they want to know what is your job role. So now we can search job role. So you can put in whatever it is that you want here. So we're going to just say owner, and we're going to tap on next. Next, what is your company name? So right over here, you're going to put in the company name and tap on next. Then they want to know how many people work at your company. We can just go ahead and choose the appropriate one. And then what is your company's website? And here they want you to enter in a website. And once we've typed that in, we're going to just tap on next. Now it says, where would you like your data to be hosted? And we're going to just go ahead and say US. And you can tap on create your account, and your account has been created. So over here, they'll ask you which of these sounds mostly like you. If you've never used a CRM before, if you are new to HubSpot and you've used a CRM, or I know my way around HubSpot pretty well. I'm just going to go with the last option. Over here, they're asking you to choose a template, and then you get to choose a marketing template. And also you can edit any one of these templates. So over here, they want you to add 1 or 2 contacts to see your CRM in action. They also do give you some samples over here. So if you don't have a contact list yet, and if you don't want to add your contact list now, you don't have to. You can just tap on continue. You can now also send invites to some of your team members. If you don't want to do this, you can just go skip, and you want to do that for later. So here we go. We are now in HubSpot. Having a look at what you can see here, this is the contact page. We're going to go ahead. We're just going to go to our dashboard or our home page, and we can see everything straight from here. So a few things that I'm going to go through with you now is creating contacts and lists, creating emails, creating a landing page, and then I'm just going to quickly go through their pricing scheme and see what we actually get for what it costs. So let's get straight in. Having a look at the top over here, they have their toolbar. You can view all of your reports. You can set up all your automations. There are some extra services that they offer over here, and then this is their sales hub and their marketing hub. This is where you have all of your conversations with your team members, and then you have all your contacts over here. So the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is go into contacts, and once this page is open, we can manage our contacts from this page. Up at the top right hand side, there is a create contact, and you can now create individual contacts, or you can import contacts from another platform, or you can import contacts using a CSV file format, which will be done on Microsoft Excel. So over here, you will enter the email address, the first name, last name, and then you can start entering the owner, job title, and phone number, life cycle stage, and the lead status over here. Once you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and tap on create, and your contact will be created. Up at the top, you also have some other options. You can edit the properties of your contacts. You can also manage the duplicates. You can fix the formatting issues, and then you can also restore your records if you have made any changes and you want to just revert back. The import button on the top right hand side allows you now to import. So you can either have their help bot go through the process with you, or you can say I'll set it up myself. And once you go through this process, you can now either sync with HubSpot and other apps. So you'll just connect those apps. And then we have the import option where you can just tap on import. It'll import contacts, companies, deals, tickets, and product information into HubSpot if you are using another CRM and you're moving over to HubSpot. So Going now into the next thing is creating emails. So if you go up to the top, you have your marketing. And as you can see here, you can create ads, emails, landing pages. You can even create and manage your website as well as a blog. And then you can also manage all your social media over here. And then you have an SEO feature, which is great. So we're going to go up and we're going to tap on emails. We're going to go now from this page, and you have some welcome emails over here. We're going to skip this altogether. Up at the top, you have a create email. So we're going to go ahead and tap on regular. This will just give us a regular old template to work from, where we can add some images, we can add some text, and we can also add some buttons and other features. You will see now that you get some basic templates. There's some newsletters, promotions, a simple, a welcome, and then there's a couple more. Also, if you sign up for premium, you have a few more templates. We're going to go ahead and just tap on the promotion over here, and once you've tapped on that, you'll have the option to completely customize this email. That means that on this main page, you will see an example of what your email will look like, and on the left hand side you can see that all of the options here are additions that you can add to the page. So once you click on an item on your email example, on the left hand side it opens up all of the editing tools. So this over here is an image. You can now replace this image with one of your own. You can also give it some alt text. You can alter the size. You can also add a link. So if somebody's clicking on that image, it can take them somewhere. So wherever you put that link in, that's where they will go. And then you can also align the image. You can change what the corners look like. You can also give it some padding or not. And then there are a few other options with regards to making this completely customized. You can also change the company logo over here, and you can change the text style on the email. You can change the color, and you can change the font style as well. If you would like to add a new item over here, all you need to do is tap down on any one of these buttons on the left hand side. You can see there are many options. You tap down and you drag it over, and it'll tell you exactly where it's going in, where you can see that blue line, and it'll now add in that social button. On the left hand side you can enter in all the details, so you're going to have to enter your links for your Facebook page, LinkedIn, Twitter, as well as Instagram, and you can now go ahead. There's some editing styles. You can change the look and the feel of the actual email itself. Once you're happy with your email and all of your information is in the email, up at the top there is a settings tab, and we're going to go in here, and here you can change who it's coming from. You can add a subject line, a preview text, an internal email name, and then you can also change the language and the subscription type. So over here you can see it says select a subscription type, the marketing information, or one-on-one, and then you can go ahead. There's an office location that says footer module will be updated in email, and this basically just adds a footer so that there is some information as to where you're located and your basic contact details. Once you're done with that, we can go ahead to the send or schedule, and right over here you can select who it gets sent to and a list of contacts on HubSpot that it doesn't get sent to. Once you're done with creating your email and all of the settings that are involved, you're going to go up to the top right hand side and you're going to tap on review and send. Back now on our home page, we can go into the marketing again, and you can see that there is a landing page. Now once you go into this landing page, you can now set up a landing page. So if you are sending out an email and on the email there is a button, a subscribe now or a book now or a read more, you will then create a landing page, so whoever is tapping on that button, this is where they will come to. So we're going to create a landing page. We can tap on get started, and it'll give you the website over here, and you will be prompted to enter in a page name. So we're just going to go in essence promo, and we can tap on create page. So once you're on this page, you will now have the opportunity to choose a template. So we have a sign up for our new newsletter, download your free ebook. You don't want to miss this. You can see that there are a bunch of templates, and as you go down there are some more. Some of them are only for the premium users, but we're going to go ahead and we're just going to tap on this sign up for our newsletter. So here they have a bit of a tutorial on how to use the editor. We're going to just go ahead and say remind me later. So just like the email, you can go ahead and you can tap on any element on the left hand side. The editing options will become available. You can change the actual content itself, and then you can also change the style, such as the visibility, alignment, spacing, the background, and the border. So everything you need to change you can find on the left hand side over there, and they are not short of options. Again, you're going to go ahead, you're going to customize the newsletter altogether. So we're going to make sure that our headings are all correct, and we're going to put in all of our information in over here. Once we are done with all of this, we can now go up to the top, and there is a settings tab, and we're going to tap on that, and it says your internal page name, and then it needs a page title, and you're going to go down here. You can also enter the domain name, and you can also give it a meta description. And if you'd like to enable a featured image, you can do so over here. You can just put that on, and you'll have the option to upload it from your desktop. And now that all your settings are complete, you're going to go up over here. There is a publish button, and you are going to tap on publish, and this page, this landing page, will now be public. And then when you want to use the landing page in any of your emails, you can just copy that link for the URL, and you can enter it into your email address button. And now we have created a landing page. You can see now that this is where all your landing pages will come up. So you can actually manage all your landing pages right over here. And if you go and tap on the more options, there are a couple things that you can do here. And there we go, folks. That is how you create a landing page on HubSpot. Having a look at their pricing now, you can see that they have 3 basic packages, and the starter package is what we're currently using now. This is the free trial that you get, and you can see over here that these are all of the things that you can use for free. Having a look now and at the professional, and that jumps quite a significant amount from only $45 per month to $800. This does, however, increase your marketing contacts, and it also increases your amount of emails that you can send. So if you want to, you can start a free trial on this plan so you can test it out, see if it's going to work for you. And then we have a plan over here, the enterprise, and that is $3,600 per month. And you can see here it includes 10,000 marketing contacts. You can change these amounts over here as well if you'd like to, and then it obviously does just change the pricing. And you can see that they offer you pretty much all the key features. When you are buying a plan, you will get a few more features than just obviously what you get on the free plan. As you can see on your homepage over here, if you go into any of the items at the top on the toolbar, anything that does not have an icon next to it with a little arrow is free to use. So over here, the social feature and the SEO campaigns, those are all premiums, such as the forecast, payments, and playbook. The services, all of these over here, automations, and that is basically the items that you will not get in the free plan. However, HubSpot does offer the free plan, and it doesn't give you a 30-day or a 60-day period. They actually offer their service for free if you don't want to actually eventually sign up for a package. So it's great to use if you're just starting out, if you want to test out the waters and want to see if HubSpot will actually work for you. That is a possibility, and you can use it for as long as you want on that free plan. There we go, folks. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed this video. HubSpot is awesome. I've been using it for a while. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like. Don't forget to smash up that subscribe button. Show us some support, show us some love, and we'll see you in another awesome video. Bye bye, folks.